All right, let's start here with your lesson bank. So here's an example of mine. I'm going to skip the theme lessons as those are more just thematic mapping. And I'm going to just do a few examples of specific literary concept matching. So you see I have this lesson here on alliteration with Kendrick Lamar, Amanda Gorman, No Name, and Dr. Martin Luther King's A Time to Break Silence as a source text. So that's the output. I can click in, see exactly what this lesson plan looks like. We're comparing alliteration in songs and text. I just gave you which songs and text we're looking at. Here's our opening slide. Here's our playlist. Begins with Kendrick Lamar. Clean video there. Students are prompted with questions as we go through that video. All these are YouTube embedded videos, by the way. This is Amanda Gorman's inauguration poem. They have the same prompt questions. And here's No Name's song Reality Check. They're doing the same exact thing through all the songs on a playlist. Then we begin defining alliteration, finding the rules for application, and the close reading. And so each excerpt represents close reading of the source text and the songs. And they're prompted with questions for each as well. Keep in mind that we're looking for and studying and evaluating alliteration. Then you get to do it with the excerpts from the songs or the poems as well. And so this is a rich and robust and gives students options around familiarizing themselves with that particular set of text. And so you see we have all that there. Let's go back real quick before I show you exactly how to build a lesson. Go back to my bank. We can look at some others here. Metaphor, imagery, allegory, personification, characterization. Let's do this imagery with John Mayer. Go there. You see students demonstrating a working knowledge of imagery through the songs of Glory and Quiet by John Mayer. So we see that there. There's the video for Glory. Again, same setup with our playlist, rules and application, and then close reading. And again, scaffolding questions all the way up. You'll also see here we connect it to specific Common Core strands, which we can also connect to further state-specific standards that are stems of Common Core that we've mapped. You can copy this link and send it out. And you can also view the handouts, which is the automatic, auto-generated set of Google Docs, which are questions, assessments, activities. We'll get there in a second. First, I want to show you how easy it is for any user to build. So you just start here. What's going to be the focus of your lesson plan? These are literary concepts teamed from the syllabi or the unit plans of our teacher users. So if you just want to pick something like alliteration, I'm going to recreate that first one. You select your learning target, make sure it's what you would like, the standards that it connects to for each grade level, click add. You then decide, do I want to include a theme or not? A specific theme. If you have a source text, sometimes it can be helpful to add a theme as well while you're focusing on a concept. For this, I'm going to skip a theme. I'm going to choose from the text. And this unit, we're studying A Time to Break Silence and Sonnet 123, these great things. I'm just going to add a few. Again, this will be from your unit plan. You then say, okay, what songs do you have that match this criteria? And so this is how we got the Amanda Gorman, the No Name, and the Kendrick Lamar. And you can always review which one of these excerpts you think is most poignant. You can edit out. You can get information and background information about the artist and the song. Here's your examples of close reading for alliteration there. That's what will be populated in your particular lesson. Then just click Generate Lesson. And the application generates the lesson. Gives you your objective there. Gives you your intro slide. There goes Amanda Gorman. There's your video. We're starting our playlist here. There's No Name. Kendrick Lamar coming up again. Defining alliteration, applying in the rules, and your close reading. with the scaffolding questions. So this is how you auto-generate your lesson plans. You then just save it, generate the handouts. That's there. And it's going to take us to a Google Drive. So you see all of this is around alliteration. These are all the different activities you can give your students. So click on something like concept quiz, alliteration. It's completely customized. The students, they have to go through and write down the examples, explain the examples. Teachers are used to this. You can completely customize it. You can edit it. You can send this out, send this to yourself. You see how that works. We also have activity here. Again, completely customized. Connecting music with text. Easy to drop right in your Google Classroom. Create a verse. Again, just different activities we're giving the teacher to work with. Cutting out all and reducing that time to customize the content. And those are your deliverables there. Go back to your page. Go back to your lessons. It'll be saved there for you to use, export, send, edit, and otherwise just build on. Thanks for watching.